MCAT Organic Chemistry 5 questions. What procedure could be used to separate a mixture of white sand and table salt? Solid liquid extraction could be used simply by adding water to the mixture. The table salt will dissolve, or move into the aqueous phase, while the sand will not. What characterizes organic compounds that are soluble in water? Any compound with similar chemical properties to water will dissolve in it readily, like dissolves like. Generally, polar compounds fulfill this requirement. What characterizes organic compounds that are soluble in nonpolar solvents? Nonpolar compounds tend to dissolve well in nonpolar solvents. These compounds, which do not dissolve in water, are considered hydrophobic or lipophilic. Specifically, hydrocarbons, such as cyclohexane and benzene, ethers, and very large aldehydes and ketones. What is the role of a separatory funnel in a chemical extraction? It helps precisely separate the aqueous and organic layers. It is shaped like an inverted water droplet, with a valve called a stopcock blocking the bottom of the funnel. Describe an aqueous organic extraction procedure that could separate ethanol and benzene. Add both water and a suitable organic solvent, such as carbon tetrachloride, to a separatory funnel. The two solvents will separate into immiscible layers. Add the mixture of ethanol and benzene. The ethanol will dissolve in the water, while the benzene will move to the organic layer. These layers can then be physically separated. When water is mixed with hexane in a separatory funnel, what constitutes the organic layer? The organic layer will contain hexane. The other layer, which contains water, is known as the aqueous layer. How can an acidic compound be extracted from an organic mixture? The acidic species can be deprotonated by the addition of a base. This causes the molecule to become an anion, moving it to the aqueous layer. Benzene and phenylamine C6H5NH2 are dissolved in diethyl ether. For these constituents to be separated by extraction, what type of compound must be added? Aqueous acid. This would protonate the basic NH2 group on phenylamine, moving that molecule to the aqueous layer. How can a basic compound be extracted from an organic mixture? The basic species can be protonated by the addition of an acid. This causes the molecule to become a cation, moving it to the aqueous layer. Benzene and benzoic acid C6H5COOH are dissolved in hexane. For these constituents to be separated by extraction, what type of compound must be added? Aqueous base should be added to the mixture. This would deprotonate the COOH group on benzoic acid, moving that molecule to the aqueous layer.